Welcome to my channel Travel Guide. Airbus A321XLR delivery delays. What's causing the hold-up? Airbus's highly anticipated A321XLR is facing delivery delays, impacting airline expansion plans worldwide. Certification challenges and production adjustments are pushing timelines back, raising questions about when the long-range narrowbody will finally enter widespread service. Historical delays overview. The Airbus A321XLR, designed for extra long-range narrowbody flights up to 4,700 nautical miles, faced initial major delays due to certification issues with its innovative rear center fuel tank. Originally planned for entry into service in 2023, it was pushed to early 2024 and then Q3 2024 amid safety overview certification milestones. ASA certified the CFM LEAP 1A powered version in July 2024, enabling first deliveries. The Pratt & Amp Whitney GTF powered variant received ASA approval in early 2025. FAA certification for CFM engines followed in late 2024, paving the way for U.S. operators. Early operators in service. Iberia became the launch operator in late 2024, followed by others like Aer Lingus and Qantas. American Airlines began domestic operations in 2025 and planned transatlantic routes starting March 2026. By early 2026, several airlines had A321XLRs in revenue service. Recent delivery delays for some airlines. Despite the program progressing, individual airline deliveries continue to face slippage due to ongoing major delays due to certification issues with its innovative rear center fuel tank. For instance, Air Canada pushed its first delivery from late 2025 to 2026. United Airlines impact. United, with 50 on order, saw repeated delays, originally expecting January 2026, now shifted to summer 2026. This affects plans to replace aging Boeing 757s on transatlantic routes. Air Canada and Air Transat. Air Canada's first A321XLR is delayed to 2026, with domestic routes planned from May 2026. Air Transat, expecting deliveries in 2025-2026, revised to 2027-2028 for its 4 leased aircraft. Saudia and other Middle Eastern carriers. Saudia's rollout, initially hoped for earlier, is now set for mid-2026 due to global program delays, with routes like Jeddah to Europe replacing widebodies. Indigo's progress. In contrast, Indigo received India's first A321XLR in early January 2026, deploying it immediately on routes to Athens from Mumbai and Delhi starting late January 2026, with 9 deliveries expected in 2026. American Airlines acceleration. American has been receiving aircraft steadily, operating domestic premium routes and gearing up for international expansion in 2026, positioning it ahead of competitors like United. Broader implications. While the core program is no longer broadly delayed, with over 500 orders and aircraft in service, lingering supply chain and production challenges cause airline-specific pushbacks into 2026 and beyond. The A321XLR remains a game-changer for efficient long-haul narrowbody operations, enabling new point-to-point routes with 30% lower fuel burn per seat than previous generations. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.